Foxes are very beautiful animals that are characterized as extremely cunning creatures. These traits of their character, which are handed down from generation to generation, allowed the animals to survive until our times. If you are really interested in these animals, then especially for you we have prepared interesting facts about foxes. The most amazing and interesting facts about foxes. Foxes are solitary animals. Foxes belong to the canine family, which means that their relatives are wolves, jackals and dogs. They are of medium size, slightly smaller than the average size of a domestic dog, and weigh between 3 and 6.5 kilograms. Also, a special feature of foxes is their fluffy tail. But unlike their relatives, foxes do not live in packs. When raising their cubs, foxes live as a small family, called fox cubs, in underground burrows. Otherwise, they hunt and sleep alone. Foxes have a lot in common with cats. 10 interesting facts about foxes. Like cats, foxes are most active at night. Thanks to their unique eyesight, these animals are good at navigating through the dark hours of the day. They even hunt in a similar way to cats. And this is just one of the many similarities. Like kittens, foxes have sensitive hairs and barbs on their tongues. They also move in a similar way, having an elegant gait. Foxes also have retractable claws that help them climb trees and even climb roofs. Some foxes even sleep in trees just like cats do. The red fox is the most common species. Of 10 interesting facts about foxes. Red foxes can be found in many parts of the world, from the Arctic Circle to North Africa, and from Central America to the Asian steppes. At the same time, the natural habitat of these animals is a mixed landscape of shrubs and foxes. Such a wide population of this fox species is due to their flexible diet. Foxes use the Earth's magnetic field. Foxes are known to be very friendly and curious. They love to play among themselves as well as with other animals such as cats and dogs. Also, foxes love balls, which they often steal from golf courses. Although foxes are wild animals, they have a very good relationship with humans. In 2011, researchers discovered a grave that was in a cemetery in Jordan that dates back more than 16,500 years. Archaeologists found the remains of a man and his pet, a fox, in the grave. This was 4,000 years before the first known man and dog were buried together. You can purchase a domesticated fox. In the 1960s, the Soviet geneticist Dmitry Belayev studied foxes and bred over 1,000 individuals before reaching fox domestication. Unlike domesticated foxes, which have learned to tolerate humans, domesticated foxes are obedient to humans from birth. Today you can buy a domesticated fox for $9,000, or about that amount. Arctic foxes don't freeze even at -70 Celsius. 10 interesting facts about foxes. Arctic foxes that live in areas of the Arctic Circle are able to withstand the cold better than most other animals. They do not freeze even when the temperature drops to -70 degrees Celsius. Their white fur helps them camouflage themselves from predators, but as the seasons change, their coat also changes color, darkens. This allows them to blend in with the rocks and dirt of the tundra. A species of fox that can hear insects. 10 interesting facts about foxes. The big-eared fox is so named not only because of their 5-inch ears, but also because they use their hearing, like bats, to hear insects. When night falls, these foxes go out into the African savanna to start listening to their victims. Termites make up a large part of their diet. In addition, big-eared foxes often make their homes in termite mounds. Foxes can make many sounds. The last and probably the most interesting fact about foxes is their ability to make sounds. These animals can produce about 40 different sounds, but the most striking one is the scream.